Hello, my lovely viewers. How are you all? And what are you doing, guys? So after many days, after I'm doing live stream. Yes. Now my English become now more bad because I'm not using my English. That's why you understand. However, how are you all, guys? And if you want to have a Unreal Engine question or related with Unreal Engine question, you can comment as live, and you can ask basically. And in this video I also want to try something new, like this is not a video, this is a live stream, but I want to try something new. So let me first of all I have some plans. Like, I already make tons of video of Unreal Engine, so I want to do now I want to learn some about Unity. Okay, like I know that Unity is not good for me. Seriously, I know that Unity is not good for me, but I want to learn something new also. Like, yeah, if you learn something new, that is good. Hi bro, Rage Studio is here. Hello, how are you? Okay, however, I just try to create this software. Like, yes, I try to create this software, and the what I did, just look, basically I create a simple, like, I write some data at here. Okay, when I click the push data, it will be push my data in my real-time database of Google Firebase database. It's working. Okay, like, but the problem is now that instead of data, I can't get that data in my that here. I want to display that data in here. So what I did, I just simply get the data, but the problem is that I get central, that get database location, but the problem is how I set this value in my text box. Okay, like how? Okay, learn robotics, leave Unity. Robotics? No, bro. In my country, robotics, bad. Bro, how did you ads in your Android game in using UE5? Basically, we can use Unreal Engine 5. Like, if I show you, like, you can use the Unreal Engine banner ads. It is available. Like, if you search that Unreal Engine banner ads, maybe you maybe find my videos. Like, here's a documentation available. Okay, like, if you check, there's a basically documentation available, like how we need to use. Okay, like here, as you can see, they give you, but I'm not sure that why Unreal Engine didn't say clearly that you need to also pay some system. Like, if you go and search here, go to YouTube videos, you find maybe my videos. Yeah, you can see, check this video, that Unreal Engine ads moves plus Unreal Engine monetization, that is I use in Unreal Engine 5. So if you want to also show ads in if you want to show your ads in your game, or you want to monetize your game, so what you can do basically, you can watch this video. Okay, now let's give it a try. Unity. Okay, like, let me download the Unity. That is maybe for downloading Unity I need to maybe create an account. Maybe I have already, but I deleted. So download the Unity hub. Okay, downloading for Windows. Let's see, this is start program. Okay, it's downloading. So I need to create a folder for Unity. I don't want to all my software in messy drive. So yeah, let's create a new folder, that UNIT, maybe Unity spelling, that is, or something. How to pay in Bangladesh? Huh? What, robotics is bad? Yes, for my my opinions is robotics is bad, because look, I am a game developer. I don't like robotic law. Rewarded based ads, can I add Cora U4A? Bro, what? I want to say that you want to how we can add rewarded ads in Unreal Engine 5. There's no possible. Even it's not possible also in Unreal Engine for Unity buy the plugins. Okay, because in Unreal Engine everything is not free. Some of cases you need to buy something. Okay, like they add more plugins you can buy, which one I have. Like, I have a $15 maybe plugins you can buy also if you want. So let's install this software. I know that my internet is now become super slow, so I don't want to install it in the C drive. So let's go to GDX, and here's the Unity UNIT. Okay, that is Unity. Hope so. Let's click on install. Okay, at this time I don't know how to use this, but let's cancel this thing. Okay, here's our Unity setuping. Yes, so bro, the what is asking? You need to get help. Okay, allow access. Okay, I need to now sing up. Seriously? How I show you? How I show you? Because even I don't know also. Let's pick up my Google account. You can see the email address, but you can't do anything because my all the accounts is protected. I have Google authentication to have step verification, so you can't do anything. So you can only see email. It's UNITY, unity, not UNITY. That's good. Okay, so as you can see, it's need require 4.74 GB only for the editor of the what is that? Maybe the kind of like a software like Epic Launcher. Okay, let's save this thing in our UNITY. Unity, what is the spelling? However, okay, let's click on install. I agree. I don't agree, but I need to agree. What the heck it is? Come on, I agree. Oh, I maybe need a personal access token, maybe. Okay, now it will be take tons of time. Like seriously, it will be take lots of time to install. Next video make about UE5BD for Android game. Why you are waiting for the next video? Let's learn now. Okay, if you are watching this live stream, so we can do it right now. Why you are waiting for next video? Don't, bro, we have time. So let's learn right now how you should lightning for the Android game in Unreal Engine 5. So for example, let's go to games. Okay, now currently I'm using the Unreal Engine 5 EA2, that is basically the early access. Okay, so for example, let's use the Unreal Engine 3% template. For example, you can use the 3% template, or you can use any of templates. All the templates slides quality are same. You don't need to worry about anything. So if you pick any of templates, it will be work same. Then make sure that is for mobile, and if you want, you can set the maximum quality, or you can set also scale. Scale give you better performance. If you want to target that your game can be runs like in lower device, so you can set this ones, but in my case, let's give it maximum quality. And always will be use blueprint, and make sure do not use ray trace for mobile. Okay, ray trace not support in mobile. Even some of PC are also not support this ray trace, because I don't have RTX, brother. I have only 6 GB, so I need to buy a RTX right now. Wow, that is great. Okay, now let's click on started content. If you want, you can get. If you don't want, you can't get. Okay, so for example, let's give it a started content, and let's give it that mobile. Okay, now let's click on create. Okay, failed to create game contents, please add output logs. Okay, let's see what is the basically problem. Okay, so there's some issue always come in, because Unreal Engine 5 is early access, so there's some issue will become. So as you can see, there's a now shader compiling that's here. Okay, so first of all, you need to give it to complete shader compile. Okay, like you need to give some time to compile the whole shaders. Okay, the shaders compile is now done. And now so as you can see, this is, if you go to outliner, you can see your basically light, okay, and atmosphere fog. So make sure guys, a mobile, if you use the atmosphere fog or kind of like the fog, okay, if I show you that create then visual effects and this one hide fog, so make sure this is super costly for mobile. So make sure that if you want to target for a mobile game, do not use the fogs, because fogs is a costlier components for a mobile, so it will be take much RAM that usual. So try to don't use the basically the fog. Okay, now let's learn about the lightning. Basically lightning are simple in mobile game also, like how we build a maps. It's pretty similar like, but there's a problem. Delete all default lights and recreate again. Oh, okay, please bro, please solve my problem that I haven't sent you on Discord. Oh, okay, I will try. I'm not sure, because I think your problem is maybe you had switched Unreal Engine version. Like some of cases Unreal 4.27 is good, but but some of cases the Unreal Engine 25 also good, because some of assets is not support in Unreal Engine 4.2 is 7.2. okay, because I don't know why. Okay, however, because he's saying to create an empty label, so just okay, so let's create a simple empty label. So simple label, let's give it name LV, and now double click and open. So we have basically the simple like empty, nothing. Let's go to create, and we will be first of all add basically the directional light. Okay, we can basically drag and drop. So first of all, let's create a landscape simple. Let's give it data to 4x4 kilometer landscape. Okay, now let's simply create. Please help me to hack BGMI. Bro, why you want to play with the hack? Because you are a developer, that's why you want to do hack. Go and learn C++ and hack the PUBG. Go. Okay, so now let's add basically simple light, directional light. Okay, that is basically simple. The main problem was shadow. I don't want any shadow in my mobile game. Can you do that? Also show me that. Yeah, sure, no problem. If you don't want any shadow, that is more good, because if you use the shadow kind of like, let me show you, like this, the cube, and this cube have shadow, so it will be using some RAM. Okay, so if you try to remove this shadow, so it will be more lighted for your device, like if any of device. So if you don't want shadow, that is super good, it will be work more good. Okay, so we have simple directional light, and simply let's add the skylight. Okay, let that go, lights, skylight. Okay, so we have basically the directional light and skylight. So first of all, make sure that for mobile you should use the static, not movable. Movable is a dynamic light. So what is the problem is movable, that movable use like how much RAM use in static lights, there's a more than use in movable, because that is a dynamic. So make sure that if you're trying to create a game for mobile, use always static or stationary. Okay, so for my case I'm using static, and make sure that your light, everything is static. Okay, sir, MS also RDP explain. RDP, I don't know what is RDP. Can you, I know Azure, Microsoft Azure, but I don't know RDP. What is RDP? I don't know. I know Microsoft Azure. Okay, so that is basically the lighting. Now as you can see, the black, our area is looking black. I don't want that, so let's go to simply enable our engine content. And go to engine content, and let's add a simple sky. You can use this BP sky, so it will give you more better result. Go to directional lights and select your directional lights. So yeah, we have now basic simple lights. Okay, so let's add some cubes. Okay, so as he tell that he don't want the shadow. Okay, so what you can do, go to select your sunlights, and here you can search that as shadow shadow, and here you find an option that cast shadow. You can disable this thing, so automatically for your all objects the shadow will be removed. Okay, so if you want, you can also do for a specific object, kind of like just think I want this, or this object I want shadow, but this for this object I don't want shadow. So I can do the same method for this cube. I can search only the shadow, and I can disable the casting shadow, so it will be only disabled for specifically for this object. Okay, so it depends on yourself. If you want for all objects, you can select by your directional light and you can do that, or if you want, you can do for a specific object. Okay, so we already learned about the shadow. Okay, so now let's do a simple stuff, some in packaging. Okay, first of all, make sure that if your some of cases maybe you need to use the fog. Okay, fog is, as I said, that fog is a costly component in Unreal Engine for mobile, but if some of cases you might be need the shadow. Okay, maybe you need a shadow. So what you do, so for example, let's make this more, for C will be like that. Okay, so first problem, if you try to now export, like if you are just package for Android, so you will be fine the everything, but you don't see the fog in your game, because there's a system or a option is disabled right now for the fog, because fog is a costly component, as I said. So what you need to go, if you want to use the fog, just go to edit, then project settings, and here you need to search that fog. Okay, and here you can disable this thing, that disable vertex fogging in mobile shaders. So you need to disable this thing. So then what will be do, it will be enable the fogs for you. Okay, or it will be not work. Okay, make sure, because this is in a disable mode, so it's now clicked. So it means that you need to click again it and make it false, then you will be see the fogs in your mobile game, or you will be not see. Okay, and also let's use some materials in our landscape so it will be look more great. I hope so it will be great. Okay, let's go to where is this starter content? Hey, we already had. Where is this starter content? Oh, maybe the starter content didn't come because there's an error come, maybe that's why. Maybe. Okay, if there's an no come, what you can do, we don't know. Maybe we have some, you know, maybe we have some texture in here, so let's search that GRASS because Unreal Engine maybe have some grass texture, maybe in engine content. No, TXTURE texture, there's any grass texture available? Let's see. There's a macro, there's a cloud variation available. I don't know what is this. Base, come on Unreal Engine, give me some grass shadow, I mean sorry, give me some texture for landscape. Okay, I don't know why, but there's a no available. Okay, no problem. No, we don't have. Let's give it a mobile try. Like if you want, you can give a mobile preview from here, so you can check also that how it's looking in your mobile. Okay, like which currently level you are working, it will be displayed that one if you launch for mobile ESTC device. Okay, but make sure maybe some of cases you maybe need the SDK and DK and JDK. So if you don't know how to set up that, you can check my YouTube channel. I have tons of video about how to set up SDK and DK, JDK, blah blah blah. Bro, please teach all the importance tool in for a level or creating environment in short. The most important is landscape, second is foliage, third is lightning, fourth is optimization. That's all, nothing more than a mobile game, because for a mobile game you must need to follow this fourth thing: landscape. Oh, whoa, why it's falling down? Hey brother, this shader compiling 4000, you're kidding me? However, I don't care about shader right now because I have Intel i9, but I need to save that. Let's help bro, how to make my mobile game as a multiplayer game. For multiplayer game, you need to make sure that your game have replication system. Okay, like the replication system you should have. As you can see the mobile, as you can see guys, you can't see the the fog. Okay, as you can see the mobile preview also not showing you the fog. As I said that you need to enable you need to disable that system, that disabling the fog, so then you can see the basically the that the fog, or it will be not, you will be not see. Okay, as I'm telling that you need to make sure that your player and everything is replicated. Okay, like if I show you like what is replication system, you can go to your blueprints. Okay, like this is basically your blueprint. So here you can see that every variable, if you press on any of variable, you find here that there's a option available that is replication. Okay, that is a none. If you want to use this in multiplayer, you need to must it to replicate it, or it will be not work. Okay, so make sure that your system has been replicating also your components. If you go and here there's an option maybe come replication. Let's see that there should be option replication. By default there's a here rep here, as you can see, replication, component replication. If you are using any of the stuff, you need to replicate it. Okay, so just think that for example, okay, like let me show you an example of replication. Like if you want that there's a true player. Okay, like if I show you, like yeah, it's not working. We need to basically set up it to mode to as a central server. Okay, so now we have the two characters. Okay, so just think that I want to replicate a spawn system. Okay, like if I show you, let's create a simple a bullet here, like, or any of object. Okay, let's give it at a simple this shaper, and for seeing it's goodly, let's change the color into red, and let's give it a spawn location. Simply add arrow to see that like which position we want to spawn that. And then let's use any of keyboard, like you can use any, in my case let's use that K keyboard. for spawn. I always like the K keyboard so much, that's why I'm always use K keyboard. Keyboard K keyboard, and then simply add spawn actor from class, that will be spawn, and our class is our new blueprint, so new blueprint class, and we need a spawn location, that is basically get the arrow, get wall transformation, and simply connect it with this thing. Okay, now compile and saved. So if I show you right now, okay, so if I press for this one, sorry, the K, so as you can see there is a ball spawning for this character. Okay, but for this client, he's not seeing that ball. Why? Because that ball is not replicate. Okay, that is the basically problem. SHYT could, hi, hello. Okay, now how we can basically replicate this thing? So first of all, what you need to do, you can select the default root skin, then search that replication, and components should be replicated, then compile and saved. Now you need to come in third person. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to create some custom events. Bro, again my game is not opening after publishing on Google Play Store. Wow, which engine you are using? Like 4. What is the version? Hey guys, how much time it should be done, take time to install that Unity? It's 85% done. Okay. Bro, please create a forest environment in UE4.27. Why? 4.27.2. okay, what is the error coming? Like SHY, what is the basically the error coming? Like it's showing any error, like there's a glitch or foliage can't be loaded or something else it's showing. So if you can give me the log output, like what is the problem, that why it's not opening, or if you have any log or it's crashing log, so you can send me so I can basically check that what is the basically problem. Okay, so how we are talking about the basically the house talking about the replication. So as you can see, it's not replicating, so let's add a simple custom event. Okay, so let's give it that custom event, that server update. Okay, that is basically server update. So we'll be set it to replicate it to there's as you can see, if you now go to replication, so for a custom event you find there's a tons of option. One is non-replicated, one is multicast, one is run on server, run on own client. The run on own client mean that is a private server. Okay, only error, just tapping and game icons, it's crashing. I prefer you to clone your project, like just clone your projects and try another project. Like if you can shift your order later to another project. কি করতেছ মৌসুমি আক্তার, কি করতেছ? আনরিয়েল ইঞ্জিনের অ্যাপ্লিকেশন সিস্টেম শিখাইতেছি। I have enabled Google Pads also no result. The Google Game Pad is basically for distribution file, or you know, if you want to what is called what is called basically for Google Asset Delivery System. Hello, I think that is a basically big problem. You can see right now. Guys, that is for need network. In my here, that is network is super, like super pro network. I have super pro network, I have conqueror level network. Okay, it's verifying and installing some. The unit is maybe done. No bro, I have made a new project also, and I did same settings what you show on your videos, and also no result. So we can try with team viewers. Maybe you can do it maybe tomorrow. Continue. Yeah, sure. I think there's some why this compiling. Okay, however, how is telling that this server update is basically at replication. You find that run own client, that is mean that is a private server. It's only for run for only for you, not for the others. Like as I show you that already, when we are playing to two characters. Okay, like the first character can be see the no, I don't want to mobile preview. Suck, I don't want the mobile preview for shader compile. No. Let's run for viewport. Okay, now it's good. As I show that for this player the ball is spawning, but for this character he can't see. Okay, but basically that is now for the private server. Okay, like as I show you, like for this thing. So first of all we'll set for run on server, and then we'll be create one more custom block, that is for send data in server, because this one it will be sending the data. Okay, okay bro, I will message you. ভাই আমি তো অনেক বড় ফ্যান। ওহ, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ ভাই। Again you can install that kid unity engine. Again you are installing that kid unity engine. Yes, because I want to learn something new also, that's why I'm just only just doing some time pass. তুমি জানো কোন কন্টেন্ট বানানো অনেক কেউ বানায় না, অনেক দেশে অন্য দেশি ডেভেলপ। ভাই দেখো, সমস্যা হচ্ছে আনরিয়াল ইঞ্জিন যে বাংলাদেশি চ্যানেল তুমি সেটাতে দেখতে পারো, যদি আনরিয়াল ইঞ্জিনকে বাংলা শেখার দরকার ইচ্ছা থাকে তাহলে ওটা দেখতে পারো, বিকজ এটাতে আমি জাস্ট বেসিক্যালি ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ভিউয়ার যেহেতু আসে, লাইক যেরকম ওখানে একটা কোশ্চেন করলো ভাই কীভাবে এর অ্যাপ্লিকেশন সিস্টেম কাজ করে ওটা দেখান, তো ওদের জন্য দেখাইতেছি আর কি বেসিক্যালি। সো বেসিক্যালি যদি চাও তো তুমি আনরিয়াল বাংলাদেশ চ্যানেলটাকেও দেখতে পারো, ওখানে বেসিক্যালি বাংলা ভিডিও তো পেয়ে যাবা। ওকে, so how I'm talking about that, bro, I have to purchase Firebase plugins. Yes, good pepper. Good. Hi, I need some help. Yes, tell bro. Okay, as I'm telling that for sending data in server you need to set it for multicast. Okay, so now we have basically two, so let's first of all unplug from here, and there's now a new thing I will be learning you, that you can basically drag and drop this to this. Okay, like that is super awesome. So first of all, set it connected with this thing and send the class with this one, and the spawning location you need to just like that and connect it with this thing. Okay, now you need to call this event what you create, that is server update, via server update. How is your 19i9 processor working in UE4? Yes, good, but I need RTX right now, because if I show you right now, like 44% of my CPU using, because I'm using the screen recorder that is working in now 1080 60 fps, that's why. And I have now 32 GB RAM, so only if when I give the lights bill, like if I already check that with 3 million foliage, highest it can use my CPU 50% to 60%, and highest RAM it's use 26 GB RAM, not more than, but I think I needed RTX also, because you can see this is already using only this, for this is using 30% of my GPU. Wow, that is great. Packaging failed euro OBB may have exist 2 GB limitation. Oh, you have the 2 GB limitation. What you can do basically, go to here, that packaging. Okay, so at here packaging you can give where does that go option? Oh sorry, at here you can give it to compress cook. Okay, like here that cook only the map affected on cookal, and then second you can create compress cook for the package. Okay, it's stuck only for this software. It's it's why it's doing that. Okay, however, as it's showing that create compress cook and enable these two options. Okay, then try. Bro, how to add read and write storage permission in EU4? Why you need the write and read permission? You can do with your basically XML file. Like if I show you, go to your wherever your projects. Okay, and once you export your any project for your Android game or Android mobile, you must find a binary.android, and at that Android you find basically the main.fest also. But for example, let's go to build Android, and there's a asr for now I don't have any example to show you that the main.xml. there's a main.xml exist at here, maybe the immediate file, maybe build Android. Where'd that file go? Yes, there you find in whatever your projects, go to this intermediate, then go to basically where that Android, and here your basically AMR main.fest. You can open this with your Visual Studio 2019, and here you can write some codes. Okay, bro, can you make a bomb like Valorant? Bomb? BOMB, bomb. What kind of bomb you want? Like I have in Valorant, there's a kind of like there's tons of bomb option, like the spell, like the Viper, use Toxid. Yeah, there's a tons of option. Okay, what I'm showing that it's done. Oh, it's done. Let's see, launch this Unity. Let's see what happened, what they give us. Oh, Unity engine, it's installed. This is installed. Unity 2022. What is that? Are we don't have 2021 or 2022 too? Well, why have we 2020? Okay, now I have a question. How we can basically release this thing? Project. Open. This create a project. Create project. Lego. Oh, we can create a Lego game. Okay, 2D platform micro game. Vehicle game. FPP macro game. Are we not possible to create a 3D? Yeah, 3D. We want a 3D. Okay. 3D HDRP. What is HDRP? Good start point forest. Oh, okay. Simple skin for URDP. Now, what is URDP? Initial render pipeline. Oh, that's good. VR, AR, third person. Whoa, we have a third person also. That's great. First person, auto roam. Oh ho ho, what a vehicle. 3D mobile. Lego. We have tons of options. Let's use with a third person. Okay. Download the templates. Oh, we don't need to download. Okay. Bro, finish the multiplayer system. Oh, sorry, I forget about that. Nice. Thanks for remembering me. Okay, so now we have this thing that update server. So we need to connect it with this thing and connect it with your class with this one and the transform. Now we need to call this event. Okay, so that is basically send data. Okay, send data in server. Okay, now you need to add with your K keyboard, or your if you want to creating FPP game, so you can use the left mouse also to basically spawn. So we need the spawning data. So that is the basically location connected with this, the class, whatever your bullet or whatever this is, you can connect it. Okay, now it should be work. If it's not work, so what you can do, basically change this multicast to run on server and change this to run server to multicast. Okay, let's see, maybe it should be work. Let's give to try play. Okay, now let's try to press the K keyboard. Yes, as you can see, it's spawning, but for the own character, I'm not sure that why this character is not staying. So as you can see, it's doing some opposites ones. It's now for it's kind of like a private. It's working. Okay, let's let me maybe for the center server problem. I need more to play as a central. Let's try. Okay. Okay. Oh, the first server is great, not the center server is great. So let's give it the, just change this thing to multicast and send it to run on server. Compile and save. Now let's try. Oh, not this one. Where does that go? K keyboard. Yes, as you can see, now it's working 100%. The replication system is now working. Okay, so basically, first of all, you need to get the run server, then you need to give multicast. Okay, because I'm not using for so much the replication system, that I forget that which one is first, which one is second. Okay, nice. So yeah, it's pretty enough good. Okay, the replication, that's why you can basically make a replicated game. So it's totally super hard in Unreal Engine to create a replication game or kind of like a multiplayer game. It's needs super time. That's why no one to create a multiplayer game in Unreal Engine 5 if he is not have a big team, or if he don't have tons of time. Okay, let's go to Unity. Let's see, maybe our project is downloaded. I don't want that in my C drive, so what I do, basically I create another folder at here. Instead of the unit, I'll create the my projects. So go to these ones and GDX units, my projects. Okay, create the projects. I don't know, Yes, Unity for okay, support finished. HDR is support realistic graphics. HDRP. Okay, can you make a Firebase with a Google authentication in UE4? Yes, I have the plugins I can make maybe, but it's need time. I have maybe some tutorials how to connect it Firebase. Yeah, maybe I have some videos. Hey brother, I have videos. Maybe what is called? Maybe what I make the video name. Coding Banglayt. YT Firebase, maybe there's some Firebase tutorial should become. Yes, it's Firebase. Yeah, here as you can see the blueprint logging system, how to create Firebase login and register system. You can watch this system with Firebase. I show already, so you can watch them too. Go and watch. How much time it takes to create the projects? Can anybody tell me? It's open or it's done or something? What is that? Slow. Oh, it's done. It's done. Okay, bye. Cause I don't have charge mobile. Okay, brother. Thanks for help. Welcome. Let's open this. Fail to open projects. Project, please check the logs. What is the open logs? What is the basically the log? Log. Oh, Are the Unity will be not work in my Unreal Engine in my computer Intel i9? It's kidding me. Are it's kidding me? Allow. Oh, maybe it's running. Okay, let's close Unreal Engine. Let's see how much it take time to open, and let's see what is my now performance going. Okay, 46% of my CPU. Okay guys, do not forget I have Intel i9. Okay, like yeah, I have Intel i9. Let's see how much it's used. Oh, just look the disks. It's using 100% of my disks. Wow. Okay, bye. So we both will connected on TeamViewer tomorrow. Yeah, sure. Copying the templates. After then we'll be try to fix my game crash problem. Okay, we'll try. No problem. I am so upset. Offset or that is offset. Whatever song name is. Let's give some post in Facebook. Why I need to give some post? I can share that. Let's share. Guys, what you think? This template will be open or not? What is doing? Huh? What is doing? Why it's telling that he is busy? At which? How he using my GPU to 51% without opening the projects? Hey Unity, you are kidding me. Unity, you are kidding me. I think Unity is kidding me. It's taking time. Hi, hello, how are you? Why that? Why Unity doing like that? He using 8 GB RAM and 40% of my CPUs. It's not maybe not using 40% of CPU. Using 51% of my GPU. Wow, what incredible! What a super optimized software. How much time after he will be open this project? I think I should open with a blank project. Let's create another project. I don't want in C drive. GDX, Unity, my projects. Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh, brother. And where are you from? Hey Unity, will you open? Will you open? I don't think so that Unity will be open with the third person template. Oh, just look. Unity said that he's not responding. Wow. What a software. Great software. I like you. Just close. Suspend. Suspend him. Ban him. Close him from my computer. And let's again open with another projects. Okay, let's creating with 3D and a projects in a GDX. Let's create the projects. Now it's creating. Nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you too, brother. Or it will be open or not, or it's need a restart. Why it's saying that not? Let's search in Google that what is the problem. Why Unity taking time to creating projects? Opening projects. Why Unity take time to opening project? Opening project. What is basically the nob way? Where is that nob come from? And brother, don't forget, I am that. Okay, I am the master of the YouTube channel, so do not do the same stuff again in my channel. Now go and die, you know, commenter. Love fact XYZ. You are a fact that you are a what I say. I'm live in YouTube, so I'm not saying anything. Ask Google. Wow, it's asking that I am a robot or not. You need taking time to open load. Yes. I want that. Why it's taking? Just look. Patching templates. Huh? What is his patching? Patching templates. I guess the topic subject or say almost everything that is specifically Unity projects time to load around 10 minutes. Kidding me? 10 minutes? What the heck it is? I have Intel i9. You're kidding me? In Intel i9 you take 10 minutes to open the projects? Huh? Average 2.6 GB, iMac 2 GB RAM, blah blah blah. Unity should be fix this problem. Huh? Just look, it's opening from 2.30 minutes. Super software. This is super. He have so bad PC. 10 minutes. You're kidding me, guys. I'm just want to use the Unity for C# because I want to learn some C#. So I think that game is great for learn some C#, and also I just learn some new software. That's why I'm trying to do, because in Unreal Engine probably I learn lots of stuff. So I want to learn something new right now. Okay, of a new engine. That's why. It's take on i5 for only 3 minutes. So why in my case it's taking? I have Intel i9, brother. Why it's taking? Huh? I have 32 GB RAM. What's taking time? Okay, I don't know. It's patching the template settings. What is that? Huh? What is that? Unity. I don't know what I can say. Okay, let's check the Unity marketplaces. Oh, there's a they have maybe marketplaces. What do you think, guys? They have marketplaces? Yeah, I think they have marketplaces. Unity have marketplaces. I forget. Unity. Go. Huh? Unity. Why it's asking that I am a robot or not? What do you think? Robot use Google Chrome? Unity store. Or there's a marketplaces maybe called marketplaces. Let's see. Resolving package. Seriously? It's resolving package? Wow. Super software, super pro software. Whoa. I'm logging automatically. I'm not sure why. What's have? What's taking lag? Yep, Unity helps the biggest marketplaces in content and lots of utilize and assets. Oh, really? So that is good. 3D, okay. New release discount, hide purchase stuff, okay. Or we can get something in free. Let's search free. Let's see what we found in free. Okay, that's maybe I see in Unreal Engine 2. This is maybe material. Okay, it's like a mobile material, but it's great. 2681 views in past week. Wow, this material is great. I think PSV version enjoyed diffuse with alpha, specular, normal, lava. What is glow lava? I don't know. .tga file and compressed. Okay, that's good. Do you know any program language? For now, I don't know. That's why I'm trying to learn. I know only basics. For low-end PC or UE4 is or UE5. As I'm seeing that, it's taking super time in Unity. Even I have Intel i9. I don't know why. So I prefer to use Unreal Engine 4 for a low-end PC. But I think maybe I'm first time opening. That's why maybe it's taking some time. Maybe so maybe. Okay. Check asset basics motion. What is basic motion? Let me also try something more. Can I come back from here? Okay. Oh, basics motion. Okay. You're talking about maybe this. Only 2 pictures? What is have? Animation in free version 2, standard idle, start jump. Okay, that is basically the animation pack. Okay, good. They are giving us free animation. How to create a map using Unity? Even I don't know, brother. Don't ask me because many days ago I just download the Unity and then again delete the Unity and again I'm reinstalling. I don't know why. I'm just doing because I want to learn something new. That's why. Nothing else. Bro, Unity have lots of bugs and glitch. Oh, okay. We have some cars. I'm seeing that. Wow, that's good. We have some roads, buildings, mountain, realistic mountain. Oh, good. Parkour door. Realistic mobile. $130? You are kidding me? I search free. Why it's showing me paid? Unity have glitch. They are showing me paid assets. Very bad Unity. No. If you set up the Unity, then it will be see throughout your building or a object. I don't know. Oh, look, it's doing something. I don't know what it's doing, but it's doing something. Whoa. Application.take.callbacks. It's callbacking. Oh, guys, I need one more components. Maybe I need Unity C# component for writing in Visual Studio. Let's go to Visual. INS installer. How much I know? I need a maybe in modification. Maybe I need some C# components. You are super excited to make throw in Unity. Yes, some of C++. Here maybe for create game. Okay, cross platform. Oh, not so much. Let's click on install, download first. Done. 300 MB, I think not so much. Let's download. Okay, this is basically our viewport. Oh, it's working like Blender. It's Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine navigation. What is that camera? Okay, that is main camera. This is sun. Where is our world liner? Oh, in left side. And that is our world liner. Okay, we have all this stuff. We have a tick to disable and enable. That is good. Okay, that is basically maybe the details panel. Inspector. Okay, in Unity maybe it's called inspector. Wow. Bro, what are you doing? I don't know too. What I'm doing. I'm just discovering the Unity engine 2020 23.326 F1 and proportion personal. Okay, what is personal? There's a paid version available. Color directional. Oh, that is maybe for light. It's loading. Asset database dot refresh. You are kidding me? How I see that it's changing the color of the sunlights. Okay, and that is intensity. That is similar like Unreal Engine. Shadow, soft shadow, no shadow, hard shadow. Wow. Quality bips, normal bips, near plan, cook, no texture, cook size, draw, flare. What is flare? Rendering mode, cull marks. What is that? Download from asset store third person starter asset. Oh, okay, I'll be do. For now, I'm just maybe downloading C# component. Let me first of all, guys, give me some time to discover this thing. Let's see what is scene. Maybe that is the content folder. Oh, what is that? You want to save change you made in scenes, asset/scenes, Unity. Okay, save. What is doing? This is map. Maybe this is map. Okay, right mouse, create, show, explorer, open, delete, rename, import new asset, import package, export package, reference, refresh, import. What is that? Open in C# project properties. Wow. In package, what I have? Unity UI text mesh pro. What is that? Wow, inside a folder there's inside tons of stuff. Good. Download asset. Okay, that is Visual Studio Editor. Okay, I don't know why it's coming at here, but it's good. How much time it should be take for download this system? 23% updated. Okay, let's try to add something. What is that? Wireless, or maybe that is maybe modes. Oh, bake light map. Oh, that is light bake system. Good. UV overlay, texture, light overlay, 3D. What is 2D? 3D. Oh, shifting 3D to 2D. What is that? Game mode? How I can test this? Oh, play. Okay, good. That is maybe the camera. Okay, that is good also. What is that? Oh my god. Why is software looking like that? Okay, now what is my position? X, Y and Z. Okay, good. Add 3D object, cube, cylinder, plane. That is looking like a blender. I'm telling, that is looking like blender. Empty child, 3D effect, particle system, light, audio, video player, UI, camera. Where is the landscape? Asset. Guys, where is asset? 3D object. Can anybody tell me where is the asset? Like where is it landscape come? How I can add a landscape? Mesh, physics, navigation, audio, render, timelapse, layout, playable, script, UI, events, window. Can somebody tell me how to I can add it? I need to search in Unity. How to add landscape in how much time it should be verified in Unity. Okay, that is basically creating 3D object dot train. Okay. Good. They have good documentation. Object, 3D object. Ooh, train. Okay, that is the basically the train. Okay, I have some maybe larger component. I have the super paint. Okay, I have super large area. Oh my god, what I made? Opacity. Make it some more low. 1. That's good. আরে না কে কইছে কালকে কে লই যাব আবার কই That is good. আমি মাঝে ধরে আমি কইছি আমগো যত একটা শুধু ড্রেন আছে এখান থেকে দাঁড়াইলে আপনি 3. Okay, what is that? Brush. Maybe that is brush. Physics material. Okay, that is for smooth. Empty child. Good, everything is good. Tree. What is that? I maybe do something. You can use Gurju YouTube channel. Oh, okay. Oh, maybe I lost my all data. What I did. Components. 3D objects. Train. How I can save this thing? Saved. Game view. Script. Rise. My god. না আমি বাইরে যাবো Pause. আর খাইরা নাই পরে কামো Texture. Height. না Let it smooth. ছোট্ট খান্দি তো ছিল না লাইট জ্বালা দেখ কলেকটা দে নাইলে খান্দি তো নাই না দেখ ব্যাগে নাকি আচ্ছা
सोडा देतो.
म्हणता
सोडा.
Oh, okay, I am back. How old are you? I don't know even I am how much old I am. Update. Now it's updating Visual Studio. Wow. 600 MB. Gudu pepper. Are you safe? Is this safe? I can make a player. अरे हातात सास नाही. Okay, let's go to camera. Go to camera view. Let's go. Why are this my player? अरे आम्ही এখন লাইভে আছি ইয়া করো কা আছে আরি. Oh, what is that? Why my game camera? Okay, let's give it to 90. 40. I maybe do something wrong. 45. Camera speed, let's set it to 5. Hey brother, why you are going? Let's create a simple actor. Empty player. Let's connect it to the main player. I have the added component. New script. New behavior script. Add. How to make a third person camera in Unity. C#. Okay, that there's some from available I'm seeing. And there's some codes also available. Wow, there's a tons of stuff. Okay, let's see his video. He's doing something. Okay, that is basically he take a cylinder, he add a cube, material, game object, third person player. Okay, he's just write this name to third person. Okay, there's a camera. I don't know what he's doing, but he's doing something. Oh, maybe I need to first of all adjust my camera. Why are you brother? I think I should add a delete this. Oh no. Okay, delete this thing and add a simple a 3D object, a cylinder. I think that is good for me to control that, and that is basically my player. And add a component. Maybe I need to add some script. Okay. where you are going? Why are you are going? Don't go anywhere. Okay, I think that is good. And add a simple dot script a, or let's give it that player data, player in input. Haha. Oh, what I'm doing. No, it's again gone. Layer. Okay, I have now. Open. What the heck? What is go? It's in a playing mode. What is going? Give one try to Firebase login. I already had try brother. You can check that in my channel. Wow, I maybe do a super stuff. Let's add a 3D object, a cylinder, and that is basically my player. Maybe let's add the camera on him. Where is the camera? What are you doing there? Come at my. Set the location to 0. Oh, it's come. Super good. What? Why are you going? Why are you are? Okay, here you are. Here you are. I am talking about Facebook login. Oh, okay. So why you only write the Firebase login? You should Firebase Facebook login. Or you write. Sorry. Okay, I try to give it a try. Don't worry. I try give it a try. No. There's no data. You're kidding me. How can I write some timeline, a new script behavior? Now how can I open this thing? Basically, how can I write some code? Frame, open. Let me just close this thing. Save this thing. And why my Visual Studio is not opening? My first question is that why the Visual Studio is not opening? You did email login? I also did, but I want Facebook. Oh, you want for Facebook? Okay, I try the Facebook once also, like how I can do the basically the Facebook, or how we can do for Facebook. No tool. Hey, are we can't finish C# project? Assets, behavior trees, player. Open that in Unity. Open that in Visual Studio. Where is he? Visual VISU. Oh, maybe I'm just doing that modification. Maybe for that it's not doing. Okay, like yeah, very bad. Oh my god. Okay, now at this time let's try to learn how they set up. Okay, that is a 9-minute tutorial. Let's see this YouTuber. Okay. There is a ready-made Facebook blueprint marketplace of plugins, but it's not working. Oh, okay. He's doing maybe the mouse or kind of like some variable. How much time it will take to do that? Okay, I think that is not possible in today. I'm trying from 3 to 4 days, but it's not. There are no tutorials. Okay, let's see your problem. It's downloading now. I have maybe the Firebase project. Let me open. Okay, let me try. Are you live or just gone? Let me check that. But maybe I have the Firebase project. Let's go to maybe the Firebase project I have. Let's see. Okay, I see that I have some UI. Maybe that is my login system. Yes, the cool login system. Great. Let's try with duplicate Facebook login. Even I don't know how to do that, but let's try. Okay, that is for current user. Is a valid or not? Authentication is valid. Blah blah blah. Message. Even I forget that how it's setups or everything is work. Okay. Okay, you are here. Okay, that's good. Let's give it a try that get or let's search first for the Firebase and let's see what's they have us or what's they give us. Firebase. Okay, the atmos we don't need the authentication. Email, get a credit from the Facebook, create GitHub, zero authentication, phone, Twitter, user, get link, reload, send verification, create provider email address, anonymous, credits, email address, passwords. There's the only email address and password. Where's the Facebook? Dynamic link, fire store, that is of a Firestore, does exit, failed, set options, transmission, callback, that's for networking, functions, they have functions also. Wow, I think we can first of all use the get coordinator. Even I don't know how to use, but let's give it a try. Okay, now we need a get access token. Wow, that is great. First of all, let me open the documentation. There is a ready-made plugin. I know there's a tons of plugins available, but if I have that one, let me try that. Firebase. Even there's a Firebase authentication plugins available, but this feature is paid, so let's try to use the paid one. Let's see their documentation. Are they have any good documentation or not? Like for understand the logic. Just turn on show plugins files in Unreal. You will get. Oh, okay. There's a feature available when I don't know. Firebase feature plugins class. Okay. There's a public. There's a private. Public. What is between difference of public and private? Authentication.
Private নিজের public সবার
Okay, thank you. Okay, there's a tons of function. There's a blueprint library. Oh, there, that is the blueprint library. Good. That is basically the blueprint library. What will we do with that? Not in same project. Oh, not in same projects. Okay, so leave that. I don't want to see from there. Let's read their documentation. What they give us. Let's see. Are there any documentation about what? Whoa, okay, they have now cool websites. My product. We'll buy if your product is good. That is seeing with email and pass. Get as I did. Current user, display the name, email, photo URL, UID. Okay, that's good. Provide each of loop, delete user, reauthentication, password, current. Okay, now where is the basically for Facebook? Open this. Introductions, installations. I know how to install, even I already did that. Turn plugins file. Hey brother, I already did. Maybe. Okay, show plugins files. I already have that. What you mean? There's the only Firebase feature this have. Crypto keys. Whoa, crypto keys. What is that? Crypto keys. Now where is that Firebase go? However, leave it. Open. Let's see. What's have Firebase? Is valid, provider, link, reauthentication, update the number, sync with that credit, and in the area there's some variables. Let's see on the set graded sync. Oh bro, I don't need sync with trade. Now get the access token. How I get? Firebase authentication, credit provider, Firebase authentication, Facebook. That is a replicate. Okay, so let's give it name randomly. That's a jar. Let's see. If I press this thing, what's this do? Let's see. Sing, print string. Do anything, or if there's a euro, print string that blah blah blah. Okay, now let's see what is the error, or what is the basically the output come. Blah blah blah. That just mean that error. Okay, now I need a access token. What is basically the access token? Get access, get token. Okay, so let's get a token first of all. Post to refresh on token received. That is our basically token. How to make server section as Asia, Europe and stuff. You have paid server of AWS. If you have, then I can show you, or it's not possible to show without AWS server. Okay, like that is paid. Okay, let's see are it's work or not. It's doing something. I'm not sure. Did it request or something like else? Did it request? It should be pop up or something. Do something. That is basically with the email. It's not string. Let's see. Oh, if there's any error, so let's get blah blah blah, refresh. Let's see. Okay, blah blah blah, error. TOKEN. Get token. There's only a token available. Let's search Facebook. Get find. Wow. Why is that? Make a coordinate. Let's see now what's happened. Play. Error. How this structure is work? Access token, what is that? Make a little string. That is similar. Think we need to create. Let's make a simple register first. We have maybe the register system. That's showing the 11. Give your Discord link. Check my description, brother. You should be checked. Hello user. Sing up. Glow your mind. Or glow your world. Expired in description. Oh, okay. You can also contact me in Telegram. Okay, let's see that how we can do with the Facebook. If there's no tutorials available, engine Facebook login. Okay, there's only my tutorials available. Good, very good. Display, get current provider data, send email, delete, reauthentication. I seeing that documentation, but I think the documentation is useless. As you can see, this is totally a useless documentation. There's a note show that how the the login system is working or blah blah blah. It's only showing their websites. Let me search the second one. That is, maybe they have also the same. I didn't try their plugins. Saying okay, Google authentication, Facebook authentication. They have documentation. Let's see. Let's first of all install this one. Let's see what's kind of documentation. Yes, same plugins. Okay. Authentication, Facebook. sites, products, settings / logins. These apps, my app / firebase.com auto handler. Second, set up Facebook login in Unreal. Project settings / plugins as Firebase Authentication. Set your Facebook app ID. Okay, we need first of all maybe a data from Facebook developers. Let's go, let's see what's kind of like that. Okay, get start. I need basically for login. What they said, make sure redact my app Firebase. Okay, that is super huge system, I think. Let's create a empty or empty project. Only Firebase. Okay, I'm just creating a simple project with name only Firebase. They should provide the tutorials also, how this system is working or blah blah blah. New plugins is available. Let's go to Firebase feature. Where is that Firebase plugins? Where did that go? Did it install Firebase? Yeah, it's installed. Let's go. Here's the Firebase authentication. How we can find? Do you use Python? No. Okay, there's a Firebase authentication. Start. Okay, I have now maybe the data. Good. I have now the data. Let's add a simple button at here for try. Firebase. Okay. Email, Facebook authentication, sync, make. I don't know what is that. Maybe that is a custom event. Firebase user, break Firebase user data and reference. So here we may be found, wow, we'll found lots of things. Display name, user, time, sync, number, photo, email verification, provide ID, UID, anonymous, tons of option. Status, that's maybe there's a login status or something like that. If it's success, let's give it a print string, and if that is whatever it is, so if it's done, so let's give the UI ID. Okay, nice. Let's now get connected with this thing with our pick and play. Create widget. Let's select this ones. Oh, what is the name? New blueprint. Add with a viewport. Also, I need to make sure that it's have basically the mouse control, so I can basically touch. No need to create from scratch, just ready-made blueprint from the plugins files. Oh, okay, that is good. Button to try. Let's see. Okay, so it's maybe failed. I do some maybe wrongs or something like that. That's why. Okay, you are saying that there's a ready-made plugins is already available. Okay, let's go to Firebase. Okay, I'm seeing that there's some anonymous Facebook login. Whoa, they already set ups. Seeing out user option status, as I said. Okay, that is huge. Firebase user break. Okay. This is where reference are setuping. Update user data. Start. Get the Firebase user. Sing out and singing. That if it's valid, so it should be sing out and update the Firebase. It is not. It should be okay. Update. Okay, that's good. And for the Google, oh, easy and same method. That is a callback handler. Okay, but the problem is now, as they said that developers, that on create developers app ID, create a app scratch for your app. Okay, app security. How I do that? Facebook.developers app ID and meta for developers. What is meta now? But how I can create? Now just get a Facebook key and put in. How to get a Facebook key? This access tool. Maybe this one. Oh, I need to log in. Okay, no problem. I'm logging from my mobile. I have here everything. Facebook developer. Like that was curious, but login Facebook developer, create a app, copy your scratch key. Okay. Create an app. Oh, I forget. Create an app. Before you need to log in Facebook developer account. Okay. Introducing terms and conditions and policies, blah blah blah. Wow, they have tons of documentation to read. User need to read this all. How can I log in at here? Select your occupations. How to log in? Log in. I'm trying to log in right now. I'm trying to log in. I think it needs some time to log. Okay, there's some. I have authentication. Join the Discord first to communication. Oh, no problem. I think it needs some time, guys. Give me some time. Once this thing done, I try to learn that how to do that for Facebook. Okay, give me some time. Or do you have any app access key? Okay, don't worry. I try to do in tomorrow, and because I have some work right now, and I need to go for it. So after that, I will try. Okay, and when I just learn successfully, I try to make a video. So at that time, just wait. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this. Love you all. Bye bye. See you in next live stream. Thank you so much for watching, who are watching at the last. So yeah, bye bye.